Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. Are you bullish on Tesla? Well, if you are, then this video is for you. We're going to be giving you a rundown on the latest news and events surrounding Tesla, so that you can have all the information that you need to make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in the company. Tesla's stock price has been on a tear recently, and it's not going to stop anytime soon. So, in this video, we're going to share with you some bullish news about Tesla, including the upcoming Tesla stock split that's hopefully going to send stock prices even higher. So put on your bullhorns and get ready, because we're going to get into today's video. But before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything happening with Tesla. Tesla's had a pretty great year so far, as seen by the following news and headlines. Tesla is currently the most valuable automobile manufacturer in the world, largely as a result of the fact that it differs significantly from its rivals in appearance, and operates much more like a technological firm. Thus, the news on Tesla is what many people, including Tesla stock investors and Tesla car owners, are looking out for. One of the top headlines on Tesla today is the fact that the EV tax credit has just been passed in the US, and that's great news for owners of Tesla. The EV tax credit provides a tax credit of $7,500 for each electric vehicle that's purchased or leased by the consumers in the United States. This is a great opportunity for people who just want to purchase an electric car but don't want to pay for the full amount up front. According to analysis, the electric vehicle tax credit, which is a part of the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, is expected to drive significant growth in the sales of the electric vehicles over the next few years, and ultimately increase the price of Tesla stock on the market. According to CNN, owners of electric vehicles will be significantly impacted by the recent enacted Inflation Reduction Act. While some vehicles that were qualified this month won't be for the near future, certain well-known electric vehicles may once again apply and qualify for the tax credit. The tax credit gave customers of new electric vehicles $7,500 up until that automaker reached a cap of 200,000 tax credits that could be given out. Purchasers of plug-in hybrid vehicles got a lower credit. The new credit created by the Inflation Reduction Act replaces the old one and eliminates the $200,000 cap right once. But it also introduces additional limitations on supply chains, batteries, and assembly that are implemented gradually. Plug-in hybrid vehicles will still be qualified for the portion of the credit. Along with new income constraints, the new law also places new limitations on vehicle price. Another story in Tesla that grabbed the headlines is the recent comment that Elon Musk made regarding Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot. TeslaBot, according to Elon Musk, will be the company's flagship offering. Optimus may very well be a labor market disruptor thanks to the company's development in artificial intelligence, which he revealed some more details about the impending humanoid, including his opinions on the Tesla Optimus humanoid robot's design. Musk's article, which appeared in the China Cyberspace magazine, addressed a wide range of subjects, including renewable energy, Neuralink, SpaceX, and the practical applications of Optimus. In his essay, Musk restated what he previously said, stating that the TeslaBot is intended to take the place of human labor in monotonous, risky, and repetitive tasks. Further, Musk stated that the goal for Optimus is to have the robots serve millions of households worldwide. TeslaBots are initially positioned to replace people in repetitive, boring, and dangerous tasks, but the vision for them is to serve millions of households, such as cooking, mowing lawns, and caring for the elderly, Musk stated. Interestingly, Musk pointed out that the design of the TeslaBot is the way it is because people are accustomed to engaging with humanoid forms. It seems reasonable for the TeslaBot to have human characteristics, since it will be incorporated into human society. The TeslaBot is close to the height and weight of an adult, can carry or pick up heavy objects, walk fast in small steps, and the screen on its face is an interactive interface for communication with other people. You may wonder why we designed this robot with legs. Because human society is based on the interaction of a bipedal humanoid with 2 arms and 10 fingers. So if we want a robot to adapt to its environment and be able to do things that humans can do, it's got to be roughly the same size, shape, and have the same capabilities as a human, Musk wrote. In his essay, Elon Musk stated that Tesla's current focus will be on enhancing Optimus's intelligence and finding a solution to the issue of robots' mass manufacture. However, it would seem like a tough hill to climb, but it should be remembered that Tesla has previously encountered difficulties of a similar nature, particularly with the Model 3 ramp. However, Musk pointed out that when the Tesla bot's production volume increases, its cost would also decrease, making it more affordable for consumers. The front of the robot's head will be fitted with Tesla's autopilot cameras, and Tesla's full self-driving computer will power its internal electronics. This FSD computer interface is also seen in the Model 3, X, S, Y, and Roadster, and is allegedly how this bot's going to operate. According to earlier decisions, it may wind up resembling the NS5 robot from the 2004 movie I, Robot. Musk also made an effort to allay any concerns about a scenario such as that in Terminator. It's intended to be friendly, of course, Musk stated, at the moment of the first Tesla bot launch last year, and make your way through a world that was created for mankind. At the initial presentation, Musk claimed that if necessary, people could outrun and overpower the Tesla Optimus. After last year's Tesla AI Day, Musk stated, "We should be concerned about AI. At Tesla, our goal is to create useful AI that people adore and is unquestionably wonderful. Companies like Amazon and Walmart currently employ robots in industrial settings to perform a variety of jobs." The other newsworthy mentioning is the upcoming Tesla stock split. Tesla announced its plan to split its stock earlier this summer, surprising many because the company's shares had already been split just 2 years ago. However, the additional split was undoubtedly accepted by shareholders and the Tesla board of directors, as the 3-to-1 split was formally approved on August 5th. It's only a matter of days till that split. The exact date of Tesla's stock split may be the most important piece of information for investors to be aware of. The split is going to take place on August 25th, 2022, just before the market opens. The second important point that Tesla's present and potential investors should be aware of is the amount of the forward stock split. Tesla suggested using a 3-for-1 split in June. This would effectively increase the number of outstanding shares by a factor of 3 while allowing the share price of the corporation to be a third of its existing value. Tesla shareholders approved the company's proposed split in a vote held on August 4th. A 3-for-1 stock split would bring Tesla's share price down to about $306.56 per share, from its closing price of $919.69 on August 16th. Another crucial aspect of Tesla's forthcoming split is that it's going to benefit regular investors. As previously said, forward stock splits have no impact on a company's market cap. In the case of Tesla, the share price will drop to a third of its current value, while the number of outstanding shares is going to triple. However, for retail investors without access to fractional share purchases through their online broker, the drop in share price from about $920 to a little over $306 is going to be a big event. There's no doubt that the primary beneficiaries of the upcoming stock split for Tesla are individual investors, who have significantly contributed to the company's valuation reaching close to $1 trillion. It's also important to note that Tesla's stock split on August 25th won't have any effect whatsoever on the business as usual. That indicates that it won't have an influence on the company's advantages Tesla has used to achieve one of the highest company valuations in history. Tesla could hit a significant psychological milestone this year. In addition to being the first automaker to build itself from scratch to mass production in more than 50 years, the company appears to be doing well on its approach to producing and delivering 1 million EVs in 2022, despite COVID-19 lockdowns slowing output at the Shanghai Gigafactory. Tesla's batteries continue to stand out in an increasingly crowded field. In addition to their advantages in production, Tesla's batteries offer greater power, range, and capacity compared to the majority of competing EV options. This has contributed to the enormous demand for the company's line of EVs. Additionally, CEO Elon Musk is someone that the general public of retail investors has come to respect as a visionary. 4 current electric vehicle models were introduced under Musk's direction, and he's also assisted in the company's diversification into the manufacturing and installation of energy storage devices. But what do you think? Let us know down below in the comment section and tell us your predictions about Tesla. And while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!